Hey guys, I'm reviewing the Lonio mini high-speed USB hub. This is a USB 2.0. It is advertised as high speed. I don't know if it's actually faster than USB 2.0 because it does say, I guess on the packaging that, at least I think it said on the packaging that it's a USB 2.0. Anyway. This is plastic with a matte chrome finish on it. It has 4 USB ports, so it's perfect if you use your laptop for gaming and you need a bunch of spare ports for USB. It's also great if your laptop didn't come with a lot of ports. My laptop came with 3 USB ports, and definitely wasn't enough, so I had to buy one of these things. This is a pretty sleek USB hub, and I would definitely recommend it. I'll post a link in the description. I bought this off AliExpress, so if you do shop on AliExpress, then good for you, and if not, I will post an eBay listing if I can find one. Anyway, that's my review of the Lonio USB hub. Have a good day, guys.